Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to teach you a very interesting and important trick. I'm guessing you also have some really old bad quality picture what you would like to use it as in any project, and you need to upscale the picture. And now in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how you can upscale the picture. As you can see from the left side, it's a very blurry, very bad quality picture, and in the right side is a very nice upscale picture. So I made this one from this picture. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you enjoy my content and find it valuable, please take a moment to hit that small like button and subscribe to my channel. It really helps support the channel and allows me to keep creating contents for you. Thanks, and now let's get started. So just scrolling down, open a new page, and then going to the apps and looking for this image upscaler. The only thing what we have to do is I just start it again, start over again. So I just choose the file. I'm choosing this file what I would like to upscale, and choosing the upscale amount. And this one mentioned is cannot do this. It's 8 times better picture. This is my picture is already high resolution, which is interesting, but now I try to upscale the picture as much as possible. I just have to click this upscale image, and it's already done. And we can see here the before and after. I can move this bar, and you can see there is a huge difference between the two pictures. And just click on add to design, and my picture is added to the design, and I can use it immediately. And you can see that's really upscaled, leaves the face, not the background. But this was the original picture, and this is what I got. So if I remove the background, I have a quite nice picture to use from this very blurry, very bad quality picture. So now this tutorial is going to the end. Thanks for watching, and see you in my next tutorial. Ciao.